Welcome, friends, to the second session on building your personal brand in the digital age. I am Sanjay Bhattacharji, and I am going to show you how to use digital media for creating your own personal brand. To sum up what we covered in the previous session on how to create a personal brand, I would say that anybody can create his or her own personal brand. It is all about projecting and establishing yourself as different and unique in the minds of people, making people aware about your qualities, gaining their trust, creating a good reputation, and managing perceptions that others have about you is what personal branding is all about. How you dress up, a positive and optimistic attitude, and your expertise are the factors that create a lasting impression. Articulate your unique value proposition over and over again to create your own personal brand. Last but not the least, create your digital presence so that you can reach out and engage a large number of people. Now, let's look at how we can use digital to build a personal brand. So, what is this digital presence? You can go to google.com and type your name. You will get to know your digital presence by the click of a button. By clicking on the buttons below your name, you can see all kinds of information about you, whether you are in the news, your images and videos, even the books if you have authored any. So when you search your name, do you like everything that you see? Does it tell you who you are accurately? Some people often tell me that their names are similar to celebrities and hence are not visible anywhere in the first page of Google. So I asked them to try adding their profession or location along with their name, and they do come back to me smiling. Well, coming up the ranks in Google search is a challenge for both individuals and companies alike because more and more new people are getting online each day. For us today, simply existing in the real world is not enough. We also need to have a digital presence that resonates with who we really are. These days, many people will look up online before they meet you in person. It is this digital profile that creates people's perceptions and expectations before actually meeting you in person. From business associates, clients, potential employers, to even investors, everybody makes sure to take a look at your digital profile before forming an opinion. Believe me, there is nothing you can do practically to avoid this. So, how does a digital presence help you really? A few years ago in our country, the internet was being largely used for entertainment. Today, the internet gives you the power to reach out not just to a large number of people, but to the right kind of people. If you want to display your product to a person based in a remote village, depending upon his or her consumption habits, it is possible to exactly reach out to that person. Digital gives you the power of precision. You have a platform where your capabilities are published, your expertise is endorsed, and is also verified by others. You can go on developing the right networks without having to actually meet people physically. So, when people start finding your information useful in the digital space, sharing happens. And when that happens, it happens really fast and faster than you can actually imagine. You can slowly start to digitally market your products to your network. And once you learn the tricks of the trade and get comfortable with a digital presence, you can achieve a lot without really investing a lot of money. Let me now share some of the most effective tips for creating a good and meaningful digital presence. The first step is to create your biodata in LinkedIn.com. If you want people to see your work experience and receive new opportunities in your area of expertise, concentrate on developing your LinkedIn profile first. LinkedIn is a social network of close to 50 million professional users in India. What you share here should be strictly business. You can slowly build up your network of relevant people by sending connection requests every day. Engage in knowledgeable conversations and post work related updates. You can post articles, images, or videos. There are various groups that you can join as per your requirement. Most of the LinkedIn users check the profile of others when they receive a connection request. You can market yourself by stating your product offering or your unique proposition upfront in your profile. The next step is to create your own website. A website is a central location where you can store all your information in the form of web pages, and this information can be viewed by all. There are various types of websites, starting with the simplest ones, which are called blogs, to the more sophisticated ones called e commerce sites. For a starter, I would recommend a WordPress blog, which you can get by visiting either wordpress.org or wordpress.com. WordPress is the best content management system and covers almost 28% of all sites in the internet. If you want to use the website for business or promotional purposes, I would recommend that you go for wordpress.org, which is a paid version. You should go for a self hosted WordPress blog with a custom domain name, which means that you will need to buy your own domain name, like in my case, sanjaybhattacharji.com or yourbusinessname.com. The next step is to host the blog with a web host like HostGator or SiteGround. You will need to buy a web hosting package and can get your site up and running in a few hours. Normally, creating premium features on websites costs a lot of money, but with WordPress, it is free. You will also get customer support in this case. If you want to use the website for blogging, which is to post your articles, thoughts, stories, etc., then you could go for free blogging through WordPress.com or Blogspot or Blogger.com. They will give you a free hosting and ask you to connect your domain name or give you a free domain name such as yourdomainname.blogspot.com. These blogs cannot be used for commercial purposes and they can be taken down as per their terms and conditions. You will not get any customer service as millions of people use them free of cost. YouTube. Video content has the power to go viral, which means that millions may share and view the video. By showing off your expertise in a video format, you can show your entire package, not just your writing skills. If you think that you present well in front of others or have a knack for speaking, and if your profession is naturally client facing, a video may be a better personal branding platform for you. In the example given here, hashtag Your Indian Consumer is a YouTube channel by Prasad Ved Pathak. He vlogs weekly and helps you with all your purchases and consumer related issues. He also does product reviews. He has close to 5 million subscribers and over 40 million views. He has created his personal brand digitally. Nisha Madhulika is a vlogger and makes vegetarian Indian recipes that are easy to cook and good to eat. She has over 28 million subscribers and over 680 million views. Both Prasad and Nisha have a significant digital presence. Social media is a great way to develop a personal identity, establish a reputation, and stand out in your industry. You can create your profile in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. There are numerous other social media sites available, but I would recommend restricting yourself to a few initially. Create a Facebook fan page as a public figure and not just as an individual. Add your credentials and your contact information. Start a group or an event in your area or join new events. Create an Instagram and link it to Facebook. If you want to promote your content to a wider audience, try increasing your Twitter followers. A simple technique is to follow new users who in turn follow you back. You can engage in meaningful conversations through Twitter. Pinterest is a unique social platform which helps you bookmark important content. You can showcase your work, article, blog posts, pictures, etc. You can, in fact, become a master storyteller. In the example of Geeky Ranjit given here, Ranjit is a computers professional and reviews all kinds of gadgets. He has over a million subscribers in YouTube, over 40,000 followers on Facebook, 150,000 followers on Twitter. He has maintained a consistent look and feel across all social media channels and is leveraging his personal brand for growing his career. WhatsApp. Most of you must be using WhatsApp. Do use WhatsApp for sharing relevant updates. You can also share links of your articles, profile pages, images, etc. Many people tell me that they cannot share documents on WhatsApp. Did you know that you can also view your WhatsApp on your personal computer or laptop by typing web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code through WhatsApp settings on your mobile phone? This way, you can attach documents from your PC or laptop and send it as a message to your contacts. Remember, be careful about intruding the privacy of your contacts on WhatsApp. Create meaningful groups and interesting conversations on WhatsApp. Google gives high authority to all the main social media platforms such as Twitter. Ultimately, the more active you are on a particular platform, the higher that profile is ranked in Google. A little automation can save time and resources. You can send all of your Facebook page posts to Twitter by connecting them in the settings. By making others aware of your Facebook page and connecting in multiple places with people, your messages are more likely to be seen. Whatever post you create on LinkedIn, you can automatically share it in LinkedIn groups as well as in Twitter. Similar is the case with YouTube, from where you can share content on Google Plus and Twitter. You can also use tools to post on several social media sites at once. One such tool is Hootsuite, which has a free and a paid version. Hootsuite allows you to create your post and then select which social profiles it will go to. It has other features as well, such as analytics, special scheduling, and team management. To sum up this session, having a digital presence can help you reach out to a large number of relevant people, get you business, and also save your resources. You can create your own website through WordPress or Blogspot. Having your presence in social media sites such as LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc., depending upon the type of audience you want to connect with, is a great way to enhance your personal brand. A little automation can save time and resources. Tools like Hootsuite can help you in this. Last but not the least, create your own digital network of relevant people and let them create your personal brand. Most importantly, do not forget to watch the third session on personal branding, where I share the 3 secrets to build a personal brand in the digital age. All the best and thanks for watching.